Hello everyone, welcome to CS tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how you can to create a user login page in C Sharp. Okay, this is main page. I already open it, Visual Studio, and I created this param. This is two. I have there two text box and one button panel and some labels. Okay, first right click on project and click on add. Okay, click on forum. Okay, now select name for new forum. Okay, this is new forum. New forum name is users. Okay, now again open SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, here I have one database name new and table name is users, also users. Okay, select all from user. Here I have some record for record in this table. Okay, now I want to connect with SQL Server database. Right click and add class name per class function. Okay, this class I will create for connection to database. Okay, I will copy connection text. Okay, from old project. Okay, right click, open, copy this. This is for connection to SQL Server database. Okay, I will change just the database name. Okay, data source equal to my SQL Server name and database equal to new. Okay, integrated security true. Now just call this function everywhere. Okay, now just double click on login page button. Okay, if statement. Okay, if txt id dot text the first text box and txt name dot text the second text box not equal to null. After this insert to the body. Okay, first I will create function object from the function class function fn new function. Okay, one variable from string query and dataset ds. Okay, just write here query, select all from users, from new, from users. Okay, where id equal to txt id dot text dot string and txt name. Here we have two column on the table, text id and name, and name equal to txt name dot text dot string. Okay, dot text dot string. Okay, semicolon, press enter. Okay, that's right. All just here write fn dot get data query, pass query. Okay, after this fds dot table 0 dot row dot count not equal to 0. Okay, after this insert to body. Okay, now just when we log in on this forum, this the new forum will be show. Okay, users object, create object of this page of the new page users u equal to new users u dot show this dot hide. Just run program. Project running. Okay, just insert id and name. ID1 name is Hafiz. Okay, just login. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, check not set. Okay, the name of the table sorry, data set object reference equal to not equal to null. Okay, data set equal to dsfn dot get data. Okay, I will add some more message box and the else statement. Okay, if else message box dot show wrong username or password. If the id or name was wrong, this message will be show. Okay, just run again program. Okay, again program run. Okay, this is working successfully. Okay, I will again insert mode card. Okay, name and column. Okay, this is id and name. Okay, I will insert rank data, rank id or username. Okay, this is working very good. Thank you for watching.